right, we have thumbs up here on the field. Let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification 33 beginning. Looks like all 6 robots off that starting line successfully. 1 coral scored for that Red Alliance in that level 1 trough. Saber Robotics going to try for an algae, unfortunately bouncing off the edge and back onto the field. Blue Alliance doesn't look like any coral successfully making it onto that reef. New Berlin quickly dropping that piece of coral they had in hand, trying for that level 1 trough, unfortunately bouncing off and falling onto the field. Saber quickly grabbing another piece of algae and dropping it into the Red Alliance net. Beast lining up with a coral for the Blue Alliance, successfully placing it onto level 4. Saber gonna try and get another piece of algae off of the reef, successfully grabbing it. Their partners, Milwaukee Cyber Cheese, lining up, dropping a piece of coral onto that level 4. Saber gonna go for another algae in the net, placed successfully. 1 algae coming through the Blue Alliance processor from Rocket Robotics. They're gonna try for a second one now. Can they get it in there? And they do so. Human player though for Red Alliance, quickly placing those algae up into the net, waiting patiently for Saber, their team, to successfully score the piece of algae they had in hand up into that net. Milwaukee City RC going back and forth from human player station to that trough, that bottom level of the reef, placing it successfully. This last one though, bouncing off another piece of coral and onto the floor. Beast gonna go for some more coral up into onto that level 4. Saber going for an algae up in their net, bouncing out and onto the Blue Alliance side of the field where Rocket Robotics just placed another algae through the processing station. New Berlin lining up with a coral in hand, trying for a level 4, trying to get themselves adjusted to place it properly. Saber going for another algae, this one managing to stay in the net for that Red Alliance. 40 seconds remaining. Cyber Cheese looks like they're hanging out near their barge, gonna get themselves ready for that deep cage ascent. Saber adding another algae up in that net as we hit that 30-second mark. Milwaukee RC continuing to work on that level 1 coral. That sonar sound means less than 20 seconds now remain in the match. Team's gonna try and ascend on their cages if they can. Saber gonna line themselves up. Milwaukee Cyber Cheese already up for the Red Alliance. New Berlin coming over. Looks like they're gonna park under the barge in 3, 2, 1 as Saber last moment climbs. Have a Blue Alliance win. 130 to 123. The Blue Alliance walking away with 3 ranking points from the win. The Red Alliance, though, did earn the autonomous and barge ranking points.